Hello everyone, welcome back. So now it's time we are going to enjoy our EVS class. And in EVS, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn about rainy season. You remember in the previous class, ma'am told you about different seasons, their names, isn't it? What are we going to do today? Today, we are going to see what are the things we use in rainy season, then what we enjoy watching in rainy season, what are the things we eat in rainy season, and how we make paper boats and enjoy rowing them when it's raining outside. So our today's topic is rainy season, a season in which we enjoy a lot our national bird peacock. They dance, isn't it? And we can see water here and there, बारिश में नहाना, मजे करना. It's full of masti, a season which is full of fun and masti, isn't it? So let's move and learn some facts about rainy season. Ready to do that? Let's begin then. So class, as we have seen in the beginning, today we are going to discuss about rainy season. Do you know what is rainy season? A season in which we experience lot of rain. जब बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. Like nowadays you can see कितनी तेज़ बारिश होती है, isn't it? So the season in which rain come, we call it rainy season. और हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं वर्षा ऋतु. आपको जब मैम ने री बताया था स्वर के बारे में, तो आपको बताया था री से ऋतु, तो सीजन्स को हम ऋतु कहते हैं. रेनी वर्षा, so वर्षा ऋतु, and in English we call it rainy season. Now, what is this you all are aware of? Yes? What is this? It's a rainbow, a band of 7 colors. Now if you will look carefully, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a band of 7 colors. You know when we can see this rainbow in the sky? When we have rain and sun together. You can see in this picture also, rain is also coming and sun is also shining here. So when both the things happen together, जब दोनों चीज़ें एक साथ होती हैं, what happens? There comes a rainbow. And you know what we call it? We call it Vibgyor. इसके जो colors हैं, 7 colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. तो हर कलर का फर्स्ट लेटर लेते हैं and we form a word Vibgyor. Understood that? Now let's move ahead. Things we use in rainy season. So now we all enjoy dancing in rain, but sometimes we don't want to get wet, isn't it? Rain में डांस करना, भीगना सबको अच्छा लगता है, but it happens हर बार बारिश में भीगना अच्छी बात नहीं होती. So what are the things we use to protect us from rain? We use umbrella, we use raincoat, gum boots. These are the things we use to protect ourselves from rain, isn't it? Now, it's all about rainy season. What is the next thing we do? Yum. We enjoy eating lot of yummy things in rainy season. Like we have cob, bhutta. You all enjoy eating it? Then Mama cooks yummy pakoras, tea, coffee, hot drinks. These are the things we enjoy eating in rainy season. Isn't it? A part of all these things, we also enjoy one more thing doing in rainy season. What is that? So what's that? Yes, we enjoy rowing paper boats in rainy season, don't we? Whenever we see water accumulated in front of our homes, what we do? We take out newspapers, make boats out of them, and we row it in the water like this, isn't it? Do you enjoy doing this in rainy season? If not, you all can do that. So like this, you can make paper boats and you can row them outside your home wherever you see water in rainy season. So don't you think rainy season is a season in which we do lot of masti? Yes, we do. I hope you all have understood all about rainy season. So whenever next time you get a chance, don't forget to row your boat. I hope you have enjoyed. Bye all. Take care.